Sarah, I've got an errand for you to run.
Really? Yay, what is it?
I sent some copies to the copy machine by the library. Can you go pick those up?
Okay. Ooh, the 6th graders do neat projects.
Here's her copies. The library's right there. Ooh, I've never read this. This book is so good. Sarah, there you are. You were gone for a really long time.
Really? I just went straight there and back.
Well, did you find my copies?
The copies? Oh, I must have dropped them. I'll go back and get them.
Oh no,